Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilding. Today we start our epic journey through the Sesame Street ABC Storybook. We're on our first story and I can't wait. Without further ado, I present to you an A story. Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a queen named Queen Agatha. One day, Queen Agatha called all the knights of the kingdom to the throne room. "Knights of the kingdom," announced Queen Agatha, "I love things that begin with A. Whoever can bring me something that begins with the letter A will be rewarded handsomely. Perhaps the winner will dance with me at the royal party tonight." "Oh boy," said Sir Bird, "I'm heading for the royal zoo. That's the only place where I can find something that begins with the letter A. I'll be right back, Queen Agatha." Sir Bird hurried from the throne room, pausing only long enough to take an apple from a bowl near the throne room door. "I'd better bring this apple with me," he said, "in case I get hungry on my way to the zoo." Once outside the castle, Sir Bird realized that he was lost. "Oh no, I'm lost!" cried Sir Bird. "If only there were something to help me find my way to the royal zoo." Just then, Sir Bird passed a large arrow. The arrow said, "This way to the zoo." "Oh, look at that arrow!" exclaimed Sir Bird. "That arrow will help me find my way." So he grabbed the arrow and followed it until he reached his destination, a cage in the royal zoo where there sat a happy-looking alligator. "Oh, Mr. Alligator, I've found you at last," said Sir Bird. "Your name begins with the letter A. Won't you please come with me back to the throne room?" Since the alligator had never before seen a throne room, he was more than happy to follow Sir Bird. When he reached the throne room, Sir Bird announced to the queen, "Queen Agatha, this alligator's name begins with the letter A. I guess now I can dance with you at the royal party, huh?" "Well," said the queen, "first of all, that apple and that arrow you have also begin with the letter A." "Oh, how silly of me," said Sir Bird. "I grabbed the apple and the arrow without realizing that they began with the letter A. But I guess that since I brought you an apple and an arrow and an alligator, I can dance with you at the royal party for sure." "Well, if it's all the same to you, I'd like to dance with your friend. You're a pretty handsome guy, you know that?" the queen said to the alligator. Then she said to Sir Bird, "Sir Bird, since you found the letter A, I will give you a lifetime supply of bird seed, and I will make you my ambassador to Antarctica." "Oh boy," said Sir Bird, and Sir Bird was very happy, and so was the queen. As for the alligator, he was happy too, because he had always wanted to dance with a queen. And since everybody is happy, the story is over. Please remember to have your parents subscribe so you never miss a new story. And as always, I miss you, I love you, and I'll speak to you soon.